Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie that we have listed for this month down below. I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link those ladies as well. Editing Silynthia here. We have the new Capricorn Savings Challenge that will be going into the shop, but for 24 hours only. This savings challenge will be linked down below in my video. So if you're interested, go ahead and grab it. Thanks, guys. Today, I wanted to go ahead and stuff my envelopes for the week. I've got to get this done. This is really important for me to make sure I take care of it. I need to get to the store right away and all that jazz. But anyway, we're going to count up what we're stuffing today. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 370, 375, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 405, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I have $425 that I am stuffing today. I need to go ahead and get this taken care of. I did write out my budget very loosely, kind of chicken scratch next to me, as I always do. Hopefully going into 2025, I get back on track with actually writing out my budget, and I find that I'm more accountable if I turn on the camera. Otherwise, I end up with, you know, the chicken scratch, just write out a couple numbers and then I'm good to go. But let's get started with our high priority, which is our bills. And first up, we have rent. That is getting $300 today. So we have 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. And we're going to go ahead and add it to this money here, which, so this is 300, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80. 680 bucks is what I have. I was trying to stuff as much as I possibly could into my rent envelope before my leave starts from my job. I do have money saved and put aside to pay myself while I'm out from work because I don't have enough PTO to actually take the time off. So I do have to rework my numbers because I was able to put a little bit more to rent than I originally anticipated, which is fantastic. Go us. All right, so utilities. We're going to go ahead and put $10 there. Internet is getting $20. And my internet now has 20, 40, 50. So we're getting close. This bill is coming due as well. I cannot wait till I'm a month ahead and I'm not scrounging and trying to figure it out last minute for the same month I'm in, because I'm not ahead. So anyway, neither here nor there. Phone is not getting anything because it is completely, we've already met our goal. It's $5, $10, $11. Just in case you're wondering why is my phone bill so cheap, it is because I bundle my phone and my internet together. And as you can tell, my internet is pretty pricey. So that's why I just figured, you know, since I have to pay that much for internet, I'm just well bundle my phone and save a little bit that way. Car insurance is getting 10 bucks. 5, 10. All right, and subscriptions is not getting anything, but it has $20 there. And going into 2025, I've got to revisit my subscriptions to see what I've got going on, because there's going to be some changes, I'm sure. Memberships, I've gone ahead and paid my YMCA, so there's nothing in there. We've got $5 going in there today. And we've been going to the YMCA because there's no basketball or soccer at this time. So we've just been spending a lot more time at the YMCA. Let's move on to weekly expenses. All right. So mommy is getting $10. 5, 10. Gas, 20 bucks. And I'm loving that the gas is still pretty low. I'm kind of scared and nervous because it's going to go back up and then I'm just going to be so sad about it. And then we have household and pets. It's getting $20. I didn't get the exact change for this. So household and pets. And I spoke about this before. My kiddos are not getting any money because I was working on the MetaQuest, and I'm not certain when I'm going to start putting their allowance back in action. I feel like with this MetaQuest setting me back quite a bit, they'll be fine. But we'll see. You know, it really depends on, because they've been, you know, really just keeping up with their chores anyway, because I'm the type of mom that, you know, they still have to do the work whether they're being paid for it or not. So it was just a luxury to be able to give them some cash. But we're also going to add $10 to laundry, 5 and 10, and then we can see what we have left. Hopefully it's enough to get some money into the savings challenge, because I'm still working on some Christmas savings goals. Let's grab our savings challenge out of here. And I did mention before, I've printed it a couple times, so that's the other printout. We have an IOU of $2. So let's just put the cash here because we know we already saved that money and we needed to add $2. But let's see what we're stuffing in savings challenges. Our monthly savings challenge. We have one. No, let's go back because we have some twos here. I wanted to make sure I keep my $2 bills saving in rotation. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. 20 bucks. Okay, that's good. That's really good. So this money was actually from my part-time job as well as Etsy. So I went ahead and combined my income. I did have a couple of snow days, and this week, you know, I'm just trying to play catch up, and the next week as well, because I did miss work. It wasn't an actual snow day, it was the late start. So anyway, let's put $2 aside and get rid of this IOU. Yay. Okay, so we've gone ahead and done that. That was the $4 there. We're going to grab our dice and we are going to see what we're putting in now. $1. Yay. Okay. Where's my, I don't know where my good pen is. $1. I don't know where my good pen is. Okay, so we got $1. This savings challenge is completed. Okay, so we don't have any more IOUs. That one was already paid out. Okay, I'm just making sure I'm not mixing myself up. We're going to continue on with this one in hopes to complete 2 of these monthlies. Let's see what we can do. 6. Okay, that was a big one. 2, 4, 6. And I think we're just going to have to write it in Sharpie. Oh, here's my pen. 6. Okay. 1. 3. Okay. My hope is to not get another IOU, but we'll see. 2. Let's see here. 1. Okay, we might. Well, let me not speak too soon. 4, 2, 3, 4. Look at that. Exactly. No IOU this week, which is fantastic. So next week when we come back together, hopefully I'll have enough funds to complete this one, but we'll see how that goes. We need to count up exactly what we have here. And as a matter of fact, I have some funds put off to the side here, and I want to exchange some of these bills. I have another cash stuffing, or yes, savings challenge video coming this week. All right, yay us, no IOU. Okay, so we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I have 60 bucks. I have $60 now. Of course, I've tried to pick up extra shifts whenever I can. Etsy's coming through, and at some point later on in the month, we are going to see a YouTube paycheck. So this is exciting for me, guys. I'm so glad to see this progress being made. It makes me very, very excited. But we do need to see if we can make some change really quickly. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. Because I do want to have smaller bills for my savings challenges, and I think that's all we can do for now. And then hopefully, oh, I have a $5 bill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay. Let's make sure this is 60 bucks before I mess this up. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I have $60. Yay. Okay, so really quickly, I do want to let you know that I've met a lot of my Christmas savings goals. So I was able to revamp and think about what my next plan of action is. I'd like to beef up my PTO on a weekly basis. I'd like for my bonus kids, my other 2 children, to receive a small cash gift, so I'll put some money in a card. So I'm going to work on that, and then see what else I can come up with. I have a little bit of time before Christmas, not a lot, but I still have a little bit of money coming in as well to kind of work with. So there's that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.